Hey, what's up? If you're a parent like me, you know that keeping the kids entertained all summer long without breaking the bank isn't always easy. So I pulled together a list of 10 free or super affordable things to do with your kids around Wichita this summer. We've got water play, animals, free concerts, river rides, and I promise you'll want to stick around to the end for one of the most unique activities in town. And hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Caleb. I'm a dad of 3 little girls and a local realtor here in Wichita. And between helping families find the right neighborhood and chasing my own kids around splash pads, I've had the chance to explore just about every corner of this city. We've done most of the things on this list ourselves, and a few are still on our summer bucket list. Also, if you want weekly ideas just like these sent straight to your inbox, check out my free email newsletter called the Wichita Weekend Report. You can sign up at thewichitadad.com. I'll drop a link in the description below. All right, let's dive in. Some of these are longtime favorites, others are a little more off the beaten path, but they're all family tested, budget friendly, and easy to fit into your summer week. Let's kick things off with a classic summer staple, and that's gonna be splash pads. Wichita has dozens of free splash pads open every day from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. May through September. Some of our top picks are the Boston Park, which has an aviation theme to it, the Buffalo Park, which has a giant misting buffalo statue and a lot of open space for the kids to run around. There's Evergreen Park, which has an Aztec theme to it, and it's tucked into a quiet neighborhood. And there's also Riverside Central Park, which is near a lot of playgrounds, and there's plenty of shaded trees to hang out under. And a couple other parks that have splash pads are Osage Park, Fairmount, Plainview, and W.B. Harrison Park. And if you live on the outskirts of town in one of the suburbs, the 13th Street Sports Park in Andover is one of our personal favorites, and there's also the Mays City Park with a playground and open grass fields. But pro tip, go early or later in the day to avoid the heat and pack lots of snacks, towels, and maybe even a pop-up tent for shade. Okay, moving on to the second item on our list. And if you're already downtown, this next one is going to be a perfect combo of animals, playgrounds, and shady paths. Riverside Park is home to a free mini zoo. You'll find bobcats, hawks, turtles, and beavers in open air enclosures. There's also a walking loop perfect for scooters or strollers, plus a lot of playgrounds and picnic spots. And if you get hungry after playing, there's a couple of good spots nearby like the Nifty Nut House or the Riverside Cafe if you need a quick snack. And while you're in the area, you can move over to number 3 on the list, which is the Exploration Place. And here's the trick, you don't have to go inside. The outdoor play area and the river trail are totally free to access. You can let the kids explore, climb, and burn all that energy, and then you can take a short walk to the Keeper of the Plains. And if it gets too hot, you can always upgrade to go inside the museum itself. Next up, we're gonna cool off and go indoors for a bit for number 4 on the list. So the Wichita and surrounding libraries run amazing summer programs from May through July. You'll find free story times, crafts, special events, and book prize drawings. And it's not just Wichita. Andover, Derby, and Mays have awesome libraries as well. It's educational, air-conditioned, and genuinely fun for the kids. Moving on to number 5 on the list, we're gonna stay indoors a little bit longer, and let's talk about how you can watch a movie for $1. Every Tuesday and Wednesday at 11 a.m., the Regan Warren theaters on the west and east side show family-friendly movies for just $1 a ticket. Movies this summer include Minions, Trolls, Kung Fu Panda, and a lot of other kid classics. This is a great option that is affordable, fun, and air-conditioned. Now let's head back outdoors, but in the evening. Every Tuesday in July, you can visit the zoo for just $5 per person all day. They're open late until 8:30 p.m. and there's live music starting at 5:30 p.m. If you go later in the evening, you will have cooler temps, fewer crowds, and it's easily a favorite summer night activity with our kiddos. All right, let's move on to number 7 on the list. If you're looking for a full day of outdoor fun that won't break the bank, you need to check out O.J. Watson Park. It's totally free to enter, and activities like the mini train, pony rides, pedal boats, and mini golf cost just $4 to $5 each. It's got a big shaded playground, tons of picnic tables, and plenty of room to run around for the kiddos. This is definitely one you're gonna wanna check out. And now if you want something a little slower paced and a little more peaceful, head over to the Great Plains Nature Center. Every Monday at 11 a.m. they host Creature Feature, where kids meet live animals and do nature-themed crafts. You can also walk the trails, check out the museum exhibits, and explore the pond around the area. It's totally free, relaxing, and a great way to connect with nature. This is one of our personal favorites. Our girls love to go and feed the ducks, and we like to stay and watch the sunset. All right, let's switch things up and hit the water for number 9. Downtown at Boats and Bikes, you can rent kayaks, pedal boats, scooters, and bikes starting around $10 an hour, or you can take a $5 river ride tour along the Arkansas River. It's fun, active, and lets your kids see the city from a brand new angle along the water. And finally, for number 10, let's wrap up things with some free evening fun. Wichita has tons of outdoor events in the summer. KEYN's summer concert series is Friday nights at Andover Amphitheater and Natsker Park. There's also River Flicks Outdoor Movies, which is family-friendly flicks by the river with food trucks and a lot of lawn seating. Bring the blankets, pack a snack, and make a summer night out of it. And one bonus one on the list is the Wichita Art Museum, which is always free, and families with school-aged kids can get extra access through the Sunflower Summer program. You can let your kids check out the sculpture garden or just cool off inside in the galleries. We've done most of the items on this list with our girls personally, and honestly, it's the simple stuff that seems to stick with them. Splash pads, zoo nights, and $1 movies on rainy mornings. It really doesn't take much money to make summer special for them. Just getting outside, trying something new, and spending time together, that's what they remember. So if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below which activity you're gonna try first. And if you want even more weekly ideas for local events, parks, and things to do with your family, check out my free email newsletter I send out every week. The link is in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to making the most of your summer in Wichita.